Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change trusted device on Wise app. First, open the Wise app and tap on account in the top left corner. Scroll down and select privacy and security. Tap on two-step verification. You'll see an option called Trust this device. To change devices, simply disable this option on your current device. Then sign in on your new device and enable two-step verification there. This will register your new device as the trusted one for your Wise account. And that's it. That's how to change trusted device on Wise app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.